This is not a tutorial vid, disclaimer. This is just me simply getting my parts on and getting ready for Beach Bash.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
First on our list is these beautiful VLAN headlights. I bought them brand new. I've got LED, HID bulbs, whatever they are. They're gorgeous. I cannot wait to install them. Actually went and got some wire splitters because you got to do some wiring, which everybody knows I'm not the greatest at, but we'll manage.
Ah, here we go again.
Huh? I already did all the prep work. Connected the pins, put the bulbs in, went and got some wire splitters or wire taps. Actually, I did forget to take one thing off.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This wire right here, if you own an FRS, this is literally obsolete to you. You don't need this. This is for the BRZs. Because for some reason they decided to make it different. Don't know why. But I'm just gonna take this off here real quick. And yeah, I mean, that's literally it. It's just connector. We don't need this. Ah, dang, bro. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this front bumper. I gotta take the front bumper off because there's a couple bolts that are hidden. And I'm gonna speed this up so it doesn't bore you guys. So let me just go ahead and get it off real quick. You know why I put my stock wheels back on? Because race car. After a lot of fighting with these plastic clips, I finally got it off. I'm honestly just gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna try to unplug anything and go crazy. I think it worked with this just fine. Whoever had this car before me, literally, so these are the bolts that I put, they're already rusted, crap. But these bolts I put in, just engine dress up bolts, you know, make everything look nicer. But I didn't know it, but this was not supposed to be here, but it was holding it in with one of these. So literally 2 bolts, it's supposed to be 5 bolts. Both headlights being removed. Now it's time to start putting the new ones in and splicing the wires and get it all put back together. I only got one light in so far. I haven't even done the wiring, but like, wow, this is gorgeous already. My phone's about to die, so there's gonna be limited kind of content, but I'm definitely gonna show the final result. Stay tuned. All right, so I just wired it up. I spliced, well, quick splicers or whatever they call them. Honestly, these things are like really goated. Fit and focus. Literally, you just put the wires in there. You literally just clamp that down with pliers and then snap that over to lock it in place. It just makes life so much easier. I did have to cut this back a little bit. Honestly, not too much, but it is what it is. Let's see if these things work. Hopefully they work. I see light, which is a good sign. And oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow! Beautiful!
All right, I'm done, guys. That's it. I wish I could have recorded more, like splicing the lines and everything, but my phone was about to die. But dude, these things look absolutely gorgeous.